Today we're on the road again with Edmund. We're driving through the mountainous scenery, noticing the shepherds and the beautiful sights along the way, and we stopped for a coffee in Lekdush.
I see the sheepies. There's so many. Yeah. And there's the shepherd. Oh, a lot of sheepies.
And a small shepherd.
Yeah. Oh, look. There's a little itty bitty boy. Little boy shepherd. There's pigs. Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Bye, sheepies.
We watched as two locals drinking coffee.
Two locals.
What
on earth have you got on your neck?
This is keeping me cool thing.
Yeah. I like this gate.
So apparently you can stay in these. They're like little camping huts.
It's very
I'll be
curious.
real, this seems... That actually looks really nice. I did not expect it to be this nice. It has electricity.
Wow.
What? Oh my gosh.
Very fancy.
I would actually really like to sleep in here.
Okay.
This is a lot nicer than my tent camping. Oh my gosh.
It's got a glass. It's got a window on the door
It's got legit
and everything.
Oh my goodness sakes.
Very nice. Look at it. It's made out of bark and
I could live
straw.
in it for a very short amount of time, but I would enjoy that time. They're so legit. Oh, this one's like stuck. Do a little wiggle. Oh, this one's got 3 beds.
Edmund was going to take us to a waterfall, but the owner of the coffee shop and Camping Lekdush showed us that there was another hidden waterfall really near to his camping site, but it had kind of a secret little path, so he showed us the way, and what a cool adventure that was. Okay, full disclosure here, the path was really steep, and I had a hard time keeping up with everyone just getting down to the start of the waterfall.
Oh, careful.
Yeah.
Look, we'll get low, Mama. There's the water, and there's the fall.
Whoa, my God. That's so high. And then you drop down here, it will never be gotten back. That is horrifying.
And once I saw how steep the path got after the waterfall started, I decided to just wait. So the kids went on with Edmund without me, and I waited here next to the stream while they enjoyed the waterfall.
Yo. Mom definitely made the right choice. Me and Hannah both needed help from Edmund at parts of the hiking trail, and I often thought that if I made a wrong step, I would fall to my death. That was easily the scariest hiking trail I have ever been on. That is certain death down there. The path was steep, but it was so worth it. It was such a beautiful sight at the bottom of the double waterfalls and so much fun swimming around. I would highly recommend checking it out.
video. You look great. I actually love that. That looks great. It's very cool.
Go, Hannah, go! Into the waterfall! Do you want with the waterfall, Hannah? Oh, Hannah went under, wow! Oh, there you are! Oh my god! Wow!
Alright.
There you go! Oh man, swimming in this is pretty intense. Ooh, wow! There you go, very nice.
Thank you.
My god, that was cool!
It's awesome. It's so clear.
So clear.
Should I put my phone under?
It's so nice. Is that a bad idea?
No, it's waterproof.
Maybe you say so.
Well, I'll just face it down.
Here's the owner of Camping Lekdush. After we got back from our waterfall hike, he told us about another waterfall that was supposedly the tallest in all of Europe at 220 meters. But you can only get there by drone. So when he learned we had a drone, he showed us how to access it so we could get some drone footage of this tallest waterfall in Europe. So is it recording? Yeah. This is our windy road. This is why we're riding with Edmund and not driving ourselves. Because this road is cray-cray.
They grow here in the mountains.
Pick one up.
Very good for eating. They naturally spawn here.
Yeah, there's one there. There's one there. That's curious. Where did they come from? And what are they doing here? Because we're literally in the middle of nowhere.
Not only that, there's actually down there, there's a whole sheep's worth of freshly sheared wool. Well, I don't know how much freshly sheared.
I know what happened. Some little elves came and spun the wool. That's the only.
Yeah.
That's the only kind of explanation.
That was weird. Yeah.
It's in attack mode.
Seems that way. And now we will leave this place. Good job. Good job, Hannah. I'm glad I got that on video.
Oh no! We're gonna have to cut that out.
Never.
Hi, thanks for watching Cultures and Cures. So we have a new goal. We're trying to get to 500 subscribers. And so if you already are subscribed, please like and share our video because it really does help with the algorithm. And if you're a new subscriber, if you want to like say down in the comments like, hi, I'm new, then we can say thank you. And that would be really awesome. And also when we get to 500, we're gonna do a little live show where we go over like all the phrases and words that we learned in Albania. And it's definitely not gonna be good. It's gonna be the very bad pronunciation, but hopefully it'll be a little bit funny, so that'll be nice. And yeah, so thank you so much for viewing. See ya.